After killing Ahiravana, Hanuman flew to the battlefield with Ram and Lakshman. He had saved both of them from the Patalpuri. Ravana was shocked when he heard the news of Ahiravana's death. He then sent his son Thrisiras to the battlefield. Many others also accompanied him. Narataka created havoc in the monkey army, but Angad stopped and killed him and his horse. Hanuman killed Devanta and Thrisiras. Then came the brave sons of Kumbhakarna, Kumbh and Nikumbh, along with Yupaksha and Makaraksha. All of them fought bravely. However, Kumbh was killed by Sugriv, and Hanuman killed Nikumbh, and Makaraksha was killed by Rama's arrows. Ravana's heart was filled with grief when he heard the news of his sons and other brave soldiers' death. He came back to his palace with a heavy heart and didn't know what to do. When he looked out, all the houses in Lanka were grieving and was on fire. Ravana was depressed and furious at the same time. Though Ravana was brave, he was very arrogant. Ravana was overconfident of himself because of the boons which he had received from Lord Brahma. Ravana had got a lot of Divyastras as boons from Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva as well. He, after a hard penance, wanted the boon of immortality, but Lord Brahma refused it. Cleverly, Ravana had asked that he should not be killed by any of the gods, devas, demons, gandharvas or yakshas too. But he had left out humans with the thought that no human being will be able to destroy and kill him. And that is why Lord Vishnu took the human form of Ram to kill Ravan. This he realized very late. Now Ravana climbed on his chariot, which was drawn by 8 horses. The chariot was equipped with all types of weapons. As Ravana went out of Lanka to the battlefield, it was a solar eclipse day. It was dark and night. The birds and the beasts cried and made bad sounds. Not paying attention to any of these bad signs, Ravana went to the battlefield along with his warriors. Ravana's mighty warriors were killed after a deadly fight of arrows and chunks of rocks. Lakshmana came in Ravana's way, stopping him from coming forward. Ravana forced his way through Lakshmana's defense line and shot arrows at Rama. Rama too fought with great bravery and valor. Lakshmana and Vibhishana together attacked Ravana. Ravana was furious to see Vibhishana with his enemy, and he sent a great astra at him, with Rama intercepted, and thus Vibhishana was saved. Vibhishana had taken the side of Rama opposite of Ravana, and this made Ravana very furious. But Ravana had the advantage of his chariot, and Rama was barefooted without any chariot at all. The god of heaven, Indra, decided to send his chariot with Maithili the charioteer. This magical chariot was drawn by 4 swift horses, and they were immortal and they could fly with the speed of the wind. Maithili decided to come down to the earth to help Rama. And now we'll see what happens later in the battlefield.